we can see on the screen the question is saying that a balloon filled with helium uh, burst. Immediately afterwards, the expansion of helium can be considered as, and the options are reversible isothermal, irreversible isothermal, reversible adiabatic, irreversible adiabatic. So, what will be the answer of this question? You can see on the screen, it's very simple question. It's given that irreversible adiabatic is because energy cannot be restored. It's the process, if this process is sudden. So, in this case, the correct option is option 4.